Hi everyone, this is Tony Lu from Honeywell. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload software into an integrated multi-mode receiver, or IMMR for short, while the LRU is still in the EE bay. So let's get started. In order to upload software into an IMMR while the unit is still in the EE bay, you will need the IMMR data load adapter. It comes in a container like this. Inside you'll see the adapter itself, and then there's also an Ethernet cable provided in the kit. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to upload software into an IMMR using a commercially available Airbus 615A data loading software that runs in a Windows PC. For this demonstration, I'll be using a standard 3 MCU tray that you'll find in the EE bay, and the IMMR itself. If in the EE bay there's a unit right next to the IMMR, you might need to remove it in order to access the Ethernet port on the adapter to upload software into the IMMR. I will show you that in a minute. Here's the data load adapter. It has two Ethernet ports, one on the left, one on the right. You cannot use both at the same time. You can only use one at a time. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the one on the left. So I'm going to remove this protective cover. And I'm going to remove the protective cover on the two airing connectors. And this is the end that you insert in the package tray. Like so. To remove it, you just pull on these two straps. Comes off pretty easily. Next, you insert the IMMR into the data load adapter. Like so. Then we'll connect the Ethernet port on the data load adapter to the PC that's running the Airbus 615A data loading software. So I'm going to use the Ethernet cable that comes in the kit. Insert one end of the cable into the port on the data load adapter, and then the other end into the network connector on the PC. Now, I mentioned earlier, if you have a LRU to the side of the IMMR, you might have to remove it in order to provide room to access, so you can plug in the Ethernet cable. So next we'll power on the IMMR. You notice that there's two red LED on the front panel of the IMMR. Within 5 seconds or so of turning it on, you see the two red LEDs. That's expected because of the data load adapter we're using. They only have minimal wiring to support the data loading only. So right now we're ready to data load. For this demonstration, I'm using a commercially available Airbus 615A data loading software called NetLoader by TechSet. This is the main window. The network adapter on the PC is already configured properly to talk to the IMMR. NetLoader must configure the same IP address and subnet mask. You can verify that by going to Edit Configuration here. Then scroll down to the Network section and verify the IP and subnet mask. Match the IP and subnet mask that's configured for the network adapter on the PC. And if they're not, you have to change it here and then click on Commit and then restart NetLoader. So going back to the main menu, you can verify that NetLoader can see the IMMR target by selecting Discovery. and verify that the IMMR is shown here as a target is detected. Click on Close, go back to the main menu. To upload software, you click on Upload. Then you click on Select Parts. Then browse to where the software that you want to load. Here I already have a software part available, so I'm going to browse down to where the LUH file is for the software part and select it. And then it shows here says loadable software part. So to load this software part, you just select the target, the IMMR, and then select the software part, and then click on Add to move that to the upload schedule to the right. And then to load this software into the IMMR, you click on Upload LSAP. In a few seconds, the uploading will begin. Okay, it shows that the uploading is in progress, and this is the software part number that's loading, so you can verify that you are loading the right software. When the software uploading is in progress, you notice the 3 LED on the front panel of the IMMR. They are green with the top and bottom one flashing, indicating that the IMMR is in data load mode, uploading software. This uploading will take a few minutes. When it's done, the 3 LED will be green and steady for 5 seconds, and the IMMR is going to restart and run with the new software. We're going to skip ahead to the end of the loading. Okay, the loading is almost complete. Okay, the loading is complete and successful, as shown here. You can click on Close to go back to the main menu. To verify the software part numbers was just loaded, you can select Information and select the IMMR target. Then select Get LSAP Information. You'll see the hardware part number of the IMMR and the software part number that was just loaded. And you also see the serial number of the IMMR. Again, because the data load adapter that we are using has a minimal wiring, so the IMMR will not be operational. So in this column, the destination column is going to be shown as invalid. When the IMMR is finished uploading the software, it will restart and run the new software. But because it is still connected to the data load adapter, it will not be operational. You will see 2 red LEDs on top. So the next thing would be to power down the IMMR, remove the IMMR from the data load adapter, remove the data load adapter from the tray, reinsert the IMMR back in the tray, and then power on the IMMR. Then the IMMR will be operational running the new software. This concludes the demonstration. Thank you for watching.